Today we're going to draw a chameleon. I quite like these because they're grumpy looking. I don't know why I like grumpy looking animals. I think they make them cute for some reason. Like coon pigs and warthogs, I like those as well. Right, where shall I start? Start with the head. Come up there like that. And they've got a funny bit on the top of the head like this. It goes up, round to around there. Okay, I'm just looking. I found some pictures on the internet, so I have to look at those to draw this one. Some photos. So, because it's not easy, this one. So, should we have a grumpy mouth on there? Let's add his grumpy mouth. Coming up like that. There we go. I want the chin to come out a bit here. Just makes him look even more grumpy. There we go. Right. Let's have a look. Should we put his eye on now? I usually do the eyes last. I don't know why I'm doing it first this time. He's going to have the little side eye. Oh, he looks quite sad actually, rather than grumpy. Right, so this one, I'm going to come all the way around to around here. So if I go too fast, just pause the video and then you can do it to catch up. And they've got curly tail, so I'm going to come round, all the way around in a spiral like those lollies. I don't know what they're called. I'm just going to come up to around there. Now I'm going to draw his hands. So, are they hands? What are they? What are hands on lizards? I have not a clue what they're called. That's his back foot. And that's going to be the branch. I'll do that bit after. Now the front feet, we need to come up a little bit for his tummy here. And then stop. Because we need to put his foot on, which is going to come down here. What I didn't know, learnt today, is they have hooked hands there. And then at the front, they've got toes. Are they toes? I don't know. Little claws on there, hopefully to grip. Always have black nail varnish put on those ones. And we're going to come round here, and his elbow's going to come in there, his foot. I'm going to come up and in, like that. Now the other foot, I need to have a look at that picture in front of me. It's a photo. It looks really grumpy on the photo, and I think mine's more cute. So you just go on the internet, on Google or whatever, search, and then have a look at photos. You can have a look at cartoons, and then try and create your own from what you find. There is his feet, and now all we need is the twig. So they've got to make sure they connect the twig onto his feet. And then we're going to come down. Oh, a branch. It's more of a branch that than a twig, I would say. There we go. Up there, just make it a bit more interesting. I'm making it a bit wobbly, you'll see. Now at this end it needs to be a bit thicker. Usually they go thinner at the end. There we go, so it's a bit thicker than that end. I think I might have to just bring his mouth down because I want him to look grumpier. There we go, a little bit more. Oh, he looks quite cute actually, he doesn't look that grumpy. So I would like to see your pictures. If you send them to me, I will put them on my Facebook page. You'll find the details below. And thank you for watching. See you next time.